Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and most practical gadgets for your vehicles. Today, we're diving into the RECOIL D-USP65K dual 6.5-inch speaker pods. A universal speaker enclosure designed for UTVs, golf carts, RVs, marine vehicles, and trailers. These dual speaker pods are perfect if you want to upgrade your audio setup without compromising on protection or sound quality. The D-USP65K is built to handle the roughest conditions. Made from high-quality polypropylene plastic, the enclosures are smooth, sturdy, shockproof, and capable of withstanding almost any weather, making them ideal for outdoor and off-road use. The pods feature a bottom plate and ceiling gasket that not only secure the speakers firmly but also minimize sound leakage, ensuring you get clear, immersive audio wherever you go. Installation is straightforward thanks to the universal design. These pods can accommodate most 6.5-inch speakers and mount easily on a 360 by 260 mm flat surface, making them compatible with Polaris RZR, Can-Am Maverick X3, and a wide range of other UTVs and golf carts. Beyond off-road vehicles, you can also mount them on RV roofs, rear decks of cars, boats, or even trailers. The pods come with a full set of stainless steel screws, so everything you need for a secure setup is included. Measuring 3.6 inches deep, 5.5 inches wide, and 5.5 inches high, each pod is compact enough to blend seamlessly with your vehicle's roofline while still offering excellent acoustic performance. The rectangular prism shape and angled design help project sound effectively around your head, delivering a balanced audio experience whether you're cruising on land or water. This is a passive system, meaning it requires a separate amplifier or receiver, giving you flexibility to pair it with your preferred audio system. The coaxial configuration provides stereo output, letting your music come alive without needing complicated wiring or installation procedures. In essence, these speaker pods combine durability, versatility, and superior sound for outdoor adventures. Whether you're hitting off road trails, enjoying a golf cart ride, or boating with friends, this keeps your music loud, clear, and protected. It's an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to upgrade their audio while keeping their speakers safe from the elements. If you're serious about immersive sound in your outdoor or recreational vehicle, this dual 6.5-inch speaker pods are worth considering. That wraps up our review today on Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest automotive gadgets.